Artificial intelligence is everywhere in 2025. But here's the thing. Most people only know the popular tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. What if I told you there are dozens of hidden AI websites that can change the way you work, create, and even have fun? In this video, I'll show you 10 AI websites you probably didn't even know existed. But once you do, you'll want to try them all. Stick around until the end because number 10 is so futuristic. It feels like something straight out of science fiction. Let's dive in. First up, we have Perplexity AI. Think of it as ChatGPT's smarter cousin. It doesn't just generate answers, it actually cites its sources from across the web. That means you can double-check facts, click the links, and know exactly where the information came from. It's like having Google Search and ChatGPT combined into one. Next is Tome AI, the ultimate storytelling and presentation tool. You just give it a sharp prompt, and it instantly creates entire slide decks with text, images, and even layouts. Students, marketers, and startup founders love this because making a pitch deck in minutes instead of hours is a total game changer. Another amazing one is Runway Gen 2. This site lets you generate videos just from text prompts. Want a scene of a futuristic city at night or a spaceship flying through the clouds? Type it out, and Runway creates it. It's like Midjourney, but instead of still images, you get moving videos. Then there's Durable. This AI website builds you a fully designed, ready-to-use website in under a minute. Just type what your business does, and Durable generates the homepage, images, and even text copy. Perfect for freelancers or small businesses that want an instant online presence. Another gem is Humata AI. This tool is like ChatGPT for your documents. Upload a PDF, research paper, or any file, and Humata will read it, summarize it, and answer your questions about it instantly. No more spending hours digging through long reports. Next is 11 Labs. If you've ever wanted realistic AI voices, this is the best. You can clone your own voice, generate audiobooks, or even create character voices for games and animations. It's so natural sounding that many YouTubers already use it for narration. 7th on the list is Character AI. This site lets you chat with AI characters that feel shockingly real. You can talk to historical figures, fictional characters, or even create your own. It's like having your favorite movie character as a texting buddy. Then there's Notion AI. Notion was already popular for productivity, but with AI built in, it now writes meeting notes, drafts blog posts, and organizes tasks for you. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your workspace. Another cool one is Sounddraw. This website lets you generate royalty-free music using AI. You choose the mood, genre, and length, and Sounddraw creates an original track instantly. Great for YouTubers, podcasters, and anyone who needs music without worrying about copyright. And finally, we have Futurepedia. This site is basically the Wikipedia of AI. It lists and categorizes thousands of AI tools, from trending ones to hidden gems you'd never find on your own. If you want to stay ahead of the curve in 2025, this is the ultimate resource. So, there you have it, 10 AI websites you didn't know existed in 2025. From creating videos out of text, to generating music, to building websites in minutes, these tools show just how fast AI is changing the world. Which of these websites blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden AI tools and future tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.